Okay, my name is Fintan Raukema. I'm a university teacher, so we've got a huge team of such university teachers, and we're all heavily integrated into the student communities and involved with just making sure that our students are engaged, inspired, and most importantly, enjoying themselves.
Originally I was looking between doing engineering and maths, and I looked for both courses and decided that Sheffield was the best place for them. I then changed to maths because having come to the open days and looked at both departments, I decided that maths was the right place for me.
I was dead set on studying mathematics. I've learnt all this stuff. I've learnt to code, I've learnt to be analytical, I've learnt hypothesis testing, but it was the soft skills that I've learnt by ingratiating myself into student society. All these extracurricular activities you can get involved in. I ended up leading the largest student investment fund in Europe, and that's real money. Students actually trade real money and they manage it within ourselves. And I worked from being an analyst and just being bright-eyed to running it in my final year. So I gained all these leadership skills, these real-life examples of how I've applied myself, and overall it made me become more employable, likeable, and prepared to tackle the job world. And it's kind of resonated because of that.
Mathematics is sort of intrinsically human. So I would say that it is the greatest game ever played, and we play it very well at Sheffield. So we tell beautiful stories and we embed all the students into kind of, fantastic journeys, I would say.
The best thing about my course has to be the community created in the maths department. All the lecturers are so approachable if I need any help, or I'm struggling with something, or just to have a chat about something I'm finding interesting in maths. So as much as the lectures and everything you're studying is really interesting, I think the opportunity and the community within the maths department is definitely the most important part for me.
So when I started studying at University of Sheffield, as a mature student, one of my tutors told me to maybe get tested for dyslexia, and I got tested and I realised I was dyslexic, so that kind of opened my eyes of why I maybe struggled previously. And I got a lot of support during my studies because I learnt ways to cope with the workload and mechanisms to succeed, really. And the support I got given at University of Sheffield was second to none. I'm incredibly proud of the experience I had at Sheffield, and the tutors, the teachers, my colleagues from the other students. It is very much a big university, but there's a lot of support systems available, and that is something I'm really, really proud to say.